Problems on work done. First question is define work. When is work said to be done by a force? The answer is when the force applied on a body makes the body move, then the work is said to be done. It is a scalar quantity. The second question is how is the work done by a force measured when force is in direction of displacement, force is at an angle to the direction of displacement. The solution is work done when force is in the direction of displacement. The formula is work equals to F into S, where F is the force and S is the displacement. The second bit is work done when force is at an angle to the direction of displacement, then W equals to Fs cos theta, where theta indicates the inclination of angle. And the third question is a force F acts on a body and displaces it by a distance S in a direction at an angle theta with the direction of force. Write the expression for the work done by the force. And the second bit is what should be the angle between the force and displacement so that the work is 0 maximum. The solution is work done when the force is at an angle theta to the direction of displacement, W equals to F cos theta, and the angle between force and displacement should be 90 degrees, that is cos 90 degrees equals to 0 for 0 work done. Therefore W equals to Fs cos 90, as cos 90 equals to 0, work done will be equal to 0. Next one is the angle between force and displacement should be 0 for maximum work done, as cos 0 equals to 1. Therefore W equals to F cos 0 and work done equals to F into S. Now coming to the next question, what should be a body is acted upon by a force, state to conditions when the body is 0, when the work done is 0. When the work done is 0, the two conditions are when there is no displacement, S equals to 0, to the direction of force when the displacement is 0, theta equals to 90 degrees. So these are the questions for today. Thank you.